install the 6 needed. Then now I'm go to Yahoo Go, and it's reading. Yeah, Yahoo Go 2.0 240 times. Yeah, click yes. Okay, 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 I trusted this one. Yes. Yeah, wait for finish to uploading the compiling. After that, we see the Yahoo Go Home intro. Now, this is video for Yahoo Action, powered by Aaron. Optimizing the jar file. Do you want to launch the midget? Yes. Yeah. Welcome. Why go? See that? Just choose the OK button. Yes. OK button again. Don't click anything, just click OK button, and we go to front page of the Yahoo Go. Click the OK, then we go to the mail, so we can create the ID number, own ID number. Click OK. Did you see the sign in? Press up, then enter. You see the Yahoo ID, the password, get a new Yahoo ID. Yeah, just hit the enter. After that, see that message, click the wing of the button in the cell phone. Yeah, that one. Requesting data. See that the agreement of Yahoo. Just accept it. Then now you can create your own ID. I do some example to create some ID, like 2, 7, 'Oh, it's my fault. It's not 27. Oh, 2, 8, 3. I put my own phone number so that I can easy to remember my own number ID in Yahoo. That is my personal phone number. Then I created that. I use my name, Aaron. The last name, Aaron again. I put Aaron again. Yeah. Powered by Aaron from the Yahoo Action. Only for the Yahoo Action. Checking availability. Oh, see that? Registration 3. Create a password. I will create my own password. my fault. I guess I should not use a number. Because it's invalid. see see that? Teka lo. Oh. It's invalid. I will not use the number. I use the letter only. Yeah. Enter. Verifying input. See that? Choose question, secret question, and valid answer. And birthday, I will add that secret question. I choose select. What is your pet's name? That I choose. The answer is, I don't know. I put some random word so that it's so made easy. Just a random word. It's up to you what do you want to use on that secret answer. Then I use my birthday. That is my birthday. This coming June 13. I choose Philippines. Oh, where is the Philippines? Philippines. Proud to be Pinoy. I see, yeah. Philippines. Select. Then, I'm done verifying input. Enter the CAPTCHA. See that the CAPTCHA. Put the CAPTCHA. I will put the CAPTCHA. Done. Verifying code. See that? Thank you for registering with Yahoo. See that number? I will create. Now I created that number. Okay. Then now I'm go sign in with my Supra. So test run with my Supra. No, don't think that. It's useless. Go to your Supra. Oh, I'm lagging. Where's my Supra? Wait, I go some per application. Yeah, there, over there. See that? My fucking ID. 2837489. See that? Then I will use my password. Then see that in the upper box of my Supra, it will added. See, it's added. Then now I choose. See that it's signed in. Thank you for watching. Yahoo Action Rules Aaron.